Sanibona bafethu uvane lo ngisanda kuthola umbiko about uKarim Kimvidi. uKarim Kimvidi bafethu siyamazi-ke umdlali Orlando Pirates. Ade samsayina umshida samsayina ngosikhathi iMaritzburg United ishona le ehlathini. So they decided to let go of umshida samthola on a free transfer wajoin Orlando Pirates. Yebo. First season yakhe Orlando Pirates akayitholanga kakhulu game time. Yes wayithola game time but akayitholanga kakhulu. Yamnikeza ithuba Orlando Pirates. I don't wanna lie. Jose Rivero gave the guy ithuba first season yakhe kuPirates but he didn't use his opportunity. Umjida akaimpressanga management, akaimpressanga team. Yabo last season Jose Rivero akamnikezanga kakhulu ama minutes. I don't wanna lie. Yabo umnikeze nje ama minutes sizophela season because we saw performance yakhe, we saw game la ade beyidlala. I think sadlana eGolden Arrows if I'm not mistaken la athola khona i Man of the Match award. Yabo so umjida ayithola kakhulu game time kule season esiphuma kuyona but yena akekho happy ngalezo indaba. Njobe engekho nje ke happy ngalezo indaba. If you remember ngoJanuary Orlando Pirates iyayidinga ukumlona, yayifuna ukumlona ngoJanuary, wayifunwa iformer Orlando Pirates coach lo coach Simba right now. Yabo wayemfuna impela umjida ukuthi ayomsiza lapha ngeSimba bakwazi ukudlala kahle kwiCAF Confed but lezo inhlelo lezi zagcina singahambanga kahle. Yabo wagcina ehlalile kwiOrlando Pirates umjida wangaya le kwiSimba but right now they are back. Yabo they are back and they want this guy. Yabo uKarim Kimvidi uyayidinga game time. Yabo akekho happy kuOrlando Pirates, akekho happy, he needs to play. Yabo iagent yakhe iyasho ngempela ukuthi umjida yena ufuna ukudlala. Mase ubheke iSimba SC is a big club le Tanzania. Njobe big club nje le Tanzania njobe isibuyile imfuno uKarim Kimvidi. Orlando Pirates are looking to let go of umjida. Yabo they are looking to let go of umjida but izinto ayikakabi clear ingabe bazomhambisa on a loan noma bamdayise yini. Yabo but there's a player playing kwiSimba SC okubani okuKibu Daniels. Ngizwile indaba kuthiwa ngenzeka kube ne-swap deal between the two clubs. Simba SC wants Karim Kimvidi, Orlando Pirates wants umdlali weSimba SC okuKibu Daniels. Yabo abamaziyo uKibu Daniels is a top target yeKaizer Chiefs. Nabi recently went to Tanzania eyobuka ama games lapha eTanzania and he saw Kibu Daniels write down kwilist yabadlali abadingayo abaqhamuka le Tanzania. So njobe iKaizer Chiefs ifuna uKibu Daniels, the Soweto Giants are really fighting for uKibu Daniels. Yabo kulabo abangamazi uKibu Daniels olomjida lo ugqoka number 10 kuSimba SC, one of the talented players abadlala lapha uyi-forward umjida uyaginqa impela. So angazi uthi yipi team ezowina la. Yabo ama-2 Soweto Giants lawa alwela ukusayina lo mdlali lo but kubuya ngathi Orlando Pirates might win this race. Reason why ngisho njalo it's because mase ubheka Orlando Pirates njoba bezoshaya swap deal nje. Bezoshaya swap deal vele Simba SC ade yaqala umfuna uKarim Kimvidi. Orlando Pirates nayo iyamfuna lo mdlali lo. If they put a price bangakwazi ukumthola. Mase ubheka ucoach Simba SC is a former Orlando Pirates coach. Yabo they might talk this deal through. Bas bayamthola kumjida but there's a story for another day. Wangitshela ama comments uzizwa kanjani, should Orlando Pirates let go for Karim Kimvidi on a loan or on a permanent transfer? Umusho uthi cha mele bamlone. Why uthi mele bamlone? Uthi cha mele ukuthi uthi cha kumele kube permanent transfer. Ngitshele lapho kuma comments uthi why kumele kube permanent transfer. Yabo umjida for me I think yena akangiimpressanga kakhulu. Angimpressanga kakhulu walithola ithuba lakhe kuPirates akahlalanga. Yabo he didn't stamp his ground like umdlali. If you can check umdlalo njengo Tito Maswangayi wanikeza ithuba kuPirates. I think bafika ngesikhathi esisodwa mina Tito Maswangayi. Yabo yena benoTito bafika ngesikhathi esisodwa kuPirates but uTito wathola more game time. uTito wadlala kahle kunayo uKarim Kimvidi because ukukhumbula kahle uKarim Kimvidi samthola on a free transfer but uTito sasemlone from iSuperSport United. Sayenza aba permanent ideal yaTito Maswangayi ekhona uKarim Kimvidi engadlali kahle. So for me uKarim Kimvidi bafethu akangiimpressanga as number 10. Maybe mhlambe ukumshintsha position bekuzoyenza sense because mukhumbula kahle uJose Rivero esezohamba besemdlalisa as a winger not as a number 10. Yabo ibhola kuyena melifika ahlali kahle. Yabo umjida Steve he's not playing like umdlali okumele adlale. He's not playing like umdlali Orlando Pirates. Creative, yes, creative. Yakwazi unokholda ibhola isikhathi esiningi sidingo singekho. Yabo ezinye zezinto mina ezingenze ngangamthanda kakhulu uKarim Kimvidi when he came to Orlando Pirates, I used to like this guy. I remember he was linked with the Sundowns, he was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs, but again, we ended up signing Karim Mkhitaryan. But again, since he came to Orlando Pirates, he didn't find his form. He didn't find that spark. We know him. He's a good player, but when he's playing for the Pirates, I feel like he just Liamsinda, everything. We are shesha no this guy angeke. Mina nje ngokwami angazi kumele ahambe impela. Kumele ahambe create space sikwazi ukusayina abanye abadlali. Maybe sign abadlali bangaphandle. Ebo create ispace sabadlali abadlala outside of South Africa.